activity is to create a letter with the mail merge function in Microsoft Word. Okay. So first you need to open your Microsoft Word, and then once open, go to the Mailings tab, and then click the Start Mail Merge button. At the bottom, select Step-by-Step Mail Merge Wizard, and after you click that, the Mail Merge screen will show up, and then select Letters and click Next Document. Okay. So make sure that use the current document is selected, and then click Next. And then we will now select the recipients. So if you already have a list of the names of the recipient, you can use an existing list. But for this activity, we will use the type a new list. Okay? So make sure this is selected, and then click Create. Next, this dialog box will show up. So you need to populate it with data. So for the title, you can use Mr., Miss, Mrs., Doctor, Engineer. Okay, so the first name, last name, address, city, state, and zip code. And then repeat the after you're done with the first entry, click New Entry for the second entry, and repeat that process until you have 5 entries in your recipient list. Okay, so next. So once the 5 entries are completed, you need to click OK. And then, in this, after you click OK, you need to save the recipient list in your data sources. So the default location is my data sources. Just leave it be. And then write your last name underscore, first name underscore, recipient, and then click Save. Then click OK. And then click Next. And let's fix the formatting first. You need to go to Layout tab, and then make sure that the value in this command is 0 point, and then write the date of your letter. After writing the date of your letter, write your name, write your address, and write your contact number. And afterwards, click this address book, block, sorry. And then, after clicking that address block, it will give us this dialog box. You can reformat it in any way you want, but just for this activity, just let it be. So this will be the output, the name, the address of the recipient. And then click OK. After clicking OK, this placeholder should be below your contact number. So leave one space after your contact number for the address block, and then afterwards another space, and then insert the greeting line. So clicking the greeting line will give us this dialog box. Dear Mr. Randall, example. So for our activity for this recipient, it will show Dear Mr. De La Cruz. This is the first recipient that we have. So if you don't have any problem with that, click OK. And then, if you are successful in inserting the greeting line, this placeholder here should be here. Next, write your letter. So this is just an example. This is the random text inside Microsoft Word. But for you, you need to create a letter. You can either create a letter asking for permission to conduct research, to conduct interview. So it must have a different content than this. And then, next, after you write your letter, we need to format the last part of the letter so that it should be on the left side, on the right side, sorry. So go to home and then click this command and write these words and write your name. And once done, click here and we can now preview our letters. So clicking here, this button will give us a preview of our next recipient. And then the third, the fourth, the fifth. And you can go back to from the fifth to the fourth to the third to the second to the first. Okay? So once you're done with that, click finish. So let's print. We need to print our letter. Print, click print, and make sure that you select all, and then click OK. And then, for the printer name, select Microsoft Print to PDF. We'll be converting your letters into PDF. So make sure the PDF yung select, and then click OK. And then we will save the letter. So make sure to save your letters in your respective folders. So say, for example, this is the folder. I've created folder in your in your PC. So select the correct section, and then for the file name, make sure that the file name is last name, first name, mail merged PDF, and then click save. So after saving, you can go to the folder to check if your letter is in there. Okay? So that will be all. I will check your activity by this week.